it's a million, 5 million, I'm William, see the million, you play Cillian. Poisonous rock missiles on your pistols, jiu-jitsu, it's the boys, blow the whistle, the millennium, get so close, rub the aliens, using with my eyebrows on your body.
Keep watching.
What a party, jamming, I make you honey with my snake eyes, you got time, I got time, ha ha, baby, be my lady, grab my number, call.
Hey Chemo, we on it, we back on it, and it's going live again. Still on our unboxing of home appliances, home security appliances. We got this other device here to show you guys. So quickly, we're gonna unbox this and so this is what we have in the box. What does it say? Blank solar panel. So this is a solar panel that goes with the blank camera. So what for you, those who don't know, I think previous video I showed you another solar panel combo, the real link, and this is blank. So blank, I guess everybody's aware of blank and what it does. So let's see the corners of it. Solar panel mount, blank, or this blank, or the readings over here. On this side, you see this, security systems, so on and so forth, that you can plug it this way. And then another brand, we the same thing like the real link. So mama combo no, solar panel and the security camera, outdoor security camera, and you know, combo anyway, we have solar panel on TV, be so near on our series of home security systems. Now we unboxing now. This is part of the family, you know, we can't family now. So let's do an unboxing and see how this look like. And I think I have to show you also the blank camera so you guys can have an idea how both of this things work. I know I'm doing it both in English and in dialect because I want people who are watching to actually have a glance and understand what is actually going on. It's in the way in the solar panel, don't get me wrong, but you see you can put like it very stylish. Blinks with the OBI enemies blink. Now blinks to normal products now, it works with voice assistants now. You see Amazon Alexa and a Google Google Assistant now. It works with both of them, you know, where you have no problem when it comes into voice commands and stuff like that. So let's stay tuned and let's unbox this. Okay, I think the unit should open from the top, so we're gonna cut the plastic from the top. So packaging, as long as the packaging is here. That's how the packaging looks like. So the panel is here, and I think we have some couple of documents to read. Let's move this out of the way and put it somewhere over here, and let's dive into this. So this is what comes in the box. Look, there's nothing else in the box. That's all it comes in the box. So nothing else in the box. And you can see here, let's see what is in the box. So in this small thing you can see, I think it is a cover for rains and stuff, to stop the rains. A cover to stop the rains. So I can put it here. Some mount and screws mounted on the wall. We have in the pack, and some reading to do, documentation on how to read, how to set it up, and so on and so forth. So that's all you have in this white thing. So you don't know. And to side na yambra panel nka sound to panel ni panel ni. How do you open this? So you she just nah, I'm not doing it right there. Okay, I'm gonna begin with her. There you can see. So, and then this how it comes in. Some of solar panel no, and then a small solar panel. Let me say how now the camera never share. Now the back. So send it to you. I think in the box now. I did this our box name. I don't know what it is. Oh, okay, it goes on top of this thing. And okay, so this is that blank solar panel. Now the blank camera now. I show her. In the next video now, we will show you the camera and we will do the combos for you guys to have a good sense of what it is. Keep watching, subscribe, and like the channel. Send it to your friends, friends, and so on and so forth. One thing I want to say, well, this is the how you connect the camera to the blank camera, so the solar panel. No? If you have any boom, I charge you now. I call when it is. So this is what it is. So you have this accessories over here, and the mounting joint. And I think this. Let me take this thing off so you guys see what it is actually. Yes, I think this is what goes to. This is what goes to the wall actually. So we connect it to the wall now. Now we have a so. Or I'm wrong. I'm probably wrong. I think that's not how you connect it to the wall. I think you have to unscrew this. So we unscrew this part now. We unscrew with my hand of this part now. About wall now. With the hand about wall now, not even a clips a shape. Really, I think just to hold into the box because camera now. So there you have it. The blank and the blank accessories, solar panel joint, solar panel mount from blank, solar panel mount from blank. So there you have it. Solar panel mount from blank. There you have it. Okay, keep watching, subscribe, and thanks for watching. Damasi, mungu sunshare channel na subscribe. Thank you.
Androids, box a million, pop a million, I'm William, see the million, you play cillian, poisonous rock missiles on your pistols, digital, it's a boy, blow the whistle, the millennium, get so close, rub the aliens, using with my eyebrows on your body, for the party, jamming, I make you honey with my snake eyes, you got time, I got time, ha ha, baby, be my lady, grab my number,